second ranked match of the night. Oh my, this guy's name doesn't even fit on here. What the? Ah. We're doing it on Omega. Back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in a video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the frames. Round 1. Dude! So this is my 4th summon right here. I don't want to go 5 summons, I might get nibbed. I got 2 pops and monster negate. 2 Nindo. Oh. Zestrio, Strife Walker. Oh, I forgot to copy and paste the thing there. Oh, it's not on there, dang it. Trade in. No, I wonder if I can select this real quick. Whoa, that's the upload. Go to notes, 66. Okay. What up? What is this? 66, 66. So this is 67. Copy. What? Oh. DARKLORD. OCG art? No. What just happened there? What the? Oh my god. Attack failure. DARKLORD Nergal. Oh, he's a back row. Two back rows. Oh no. It's gonna end. I'm gonna. What happened to? Why can't I didn't chain it? Ah. Oh, that was not good. I thought, son of a. Okay, that's cool. Okay, I'm just gonna revive Elpitch back. Oh, can I revive one of these guys? They're high attacks. Oh my god, I gotta do my calculator here. Yeah, that's game. This is game right here. Eldritch send. Speller trap. Put a grave. Add him back. Special summon a zombie monster, which is gonna be himself. $27, $25, $28. Let's see. Can this guy be special summoned? Oh no. Uh-oh. It's gonna be Entis. What? This... Bruh. $4,000. Wow. This guy did not read Eldritch. Yeah, this is game right here. Just gonna overlay for drill driver. Then Monster Reborn 28 Archlord. Christia. Christia? That's game battle. Eldritch direct attack. Drill driver direct attack. I'm gonna finish him off with his own monster. Archlord Christia. Finish it. Finish your own master. Let's duel wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Yeah, that's it. Dragoon time. Round 2. Dude. Yulia. Throw. What do I get? Let's go with this. First lad. This is gonna be a title right here. Like, this is a long title. Zestrio Strife Walker. I think I will get a Claro. Eldritch doesn't really matter which one I send. This one. Maybe you should have picked this. Oh, that was a good one. Super Poly. And will Eldritch I'll do Scarlet last. Add to hand. You know, I should have picked, what's it called? Conquistador. Why didn't I pick Conquistador? Oh, because I'm gonna get Conquistador. Anyways. This guy's gonna be set too. And no. Aquero. Ram. Borbo. What? Why did I even go Borbo? Yeah, there's no monster. I can just attack. Well. ZOOLICH direct attack. Borbo direct 400. Just gonna overlay the crap out of this one. Main phase 2. Hammer Kong. Jack of 9. Tiger. Trident. He's got nib. Ah, no! That was my like a punishment. Ouch. That was a lot of materials. Fuck. Who was that? The Fusion Trish. Set a couple cards and turn and go. Banish, end phase, banish Aquero, setting Scarlet. End phase, I will Scarlet. Eldritch. I don't want to prosperity. I want to win right now. win right now. Barrel blade. Hammer comb. And then drill driver. Aquero. This guy does piercing too. Does he have Nibiru? Piercing, right? Yeah. Battle. Effect of one face-up monster on the field. Gain. Oh. Okay, DARKLORD, the sanctified DARKLORD. Oh my god, who are you going to? No. This guy's negated? What? It's the same thing. I want to see if he negated this one. Yeah, he didn't do the piercing. That's okay. Just 5, 6. This game, GG. Aquero, direct attack. Finish it. Let's duel wins. Flawless victory. 1184. I was 1173, 1184. So 11 points up. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.